Can't find where to change your phone number on Expedia? Here's exactly how to update it in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through signing in, finding the right settings, and saving your new number. Let's start. First, open your browser and go to Expedia.com. You'll need to sign into your account before anything else. If you're already logged in, you're a step ahead. If not, just enter your email and password right there on the homepage. Now, once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small profile icon, usually a little silhouette of a person or your initials in a circle. Click on that. A drop-down menu will pop up with a few options. From that drop-down, select Account. This is where all your personal account stuff lives, so this is the right place to be. And here's the really important part. Once you're on the account page, you need to find the section labeled Personal Information. Sometimes it might be called Profile Settings. It's usually one of the first things you see, but if you're having trouble, just scan the page for it. On a standard desktop browser, it's often on the left-hand side, so just click on Personal Information. Alright, so now that we've got that open, go ahead and scroll down a little bit until you see the phone number field. It'll show your current number there. Next to it, there should be a button that says Edit. Click that, and the field will become editable. Now here's where you need to be careful. Type in your new phone number. Make sure you include the correct country code if you're entering an international number. For example, if you're in the United States, you'd start with +1 and then your 10-digit number. Take your time here. A small typo could mean you miss an important update about your upcoming trip. Once you've entered it correctly, hit the Save button. This is usually blue or green, depending on your view. Click it to apply the change. And here's the part you might not expect. Expedia might ask you to verify that you're the one making the change. They'll send a code to your email on file, or maybe via text message to your new number. Just check wherever you receive messages, grab that code, and enter it on the screen. This step is quick, but it does add a layer of security. It's a good thing, honestly. It means they're protecting your account. That's it, you're done. From not being able to find the setting to having your new number saved in under 2 minutes. Now your contact info is up to date, and your trip details will go to the right place. If this helped, give the video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.